Hi and welcome to Simply Scuba. Here we have the Hollis dSMB with pouch. So this is a delayed surface marker buoy. It comes in a pouch, as you can see. We've got these two little grommets at the top so it can attach to the bottom of or the base of your backplate. And on the other side, sort of on the inside, we've got this section of webbing here, so you can thread that onto your crotch strap. So that just means it's going to sit there just in the small of your back, out of the way, so when you're ready to sort of deploy it, you can sort of grab it. So on the left-hand side, you've got this sort of tab that you can pull on, and a kind of Velcro closure that just gives you access onto the inside of the pouch. And this sort of webbing tab is attached onto the dSMB, so that's quite an easy way to sort of draw it out. And then the pouch just naturally sits there in the small of your back. The dSMB, decent sized dSMB. Sort of this one's the orange, the kind of red location marker. We've got a elasticated bungee retention strap, so that's just a quick way to keep it nicely sort of wrapped up, and you can draw that off to release it. Unraveling it. So down at the base of the dSMB, big sort of webbing loop, so you've got this real big sort of strop on the underside of it. Single end bolt snap, and fairly decent sort of bolt snap on that. It's not the highest quality, but it's not awful. So you can attach that onto a line, or I'd probably tie it onto this, to be honest. And then open end. So you can inflate it with your octo or your exhaust, and then it's fluted just in this section here. You might be able to see how it kind of bottlenecks it. So if you inflate it with your air from your exhaust, it's going to go through here, it's going to inflate the dSMB. As the dSMB ascends, it's then going to close that opening, so it kind of becomes a sealed dSMB. So when it reaches the surface and flops over, it's not all going to escape. It kind of seals that entrance as it expands. On the other side, because it will seal itself, we've got an overpressure valve. So as it goes up, as the gas is expanding on the inside, as it reaches a certain point, it's going to vent out of here so it doesn't damage the dSMB. And at the end of the dive, when you want to sort of pack it up again, you can sort of drain it, get any water out of it, and get all the air out of it. Metal inflation nozzle here as well, so you can either orally inflate it by sort of blowing into that. That is fairly easy. There are some of these that are quite hard. You really have to blow into them to actually orally inflate. That's quite easy, so you can do that under the water. Or this is the same sort of fitting as your BCD or your drysuit, that sort of standard DIN fitting. But there's no locking mechanism, so you can attach your low pressure inflator hose, push it onto that. It's spring loaded, so as you push it on, that's going to inflate really quickly and efficiently. And then as soon as it's sort of full, or you can't hold on to it anymore, it's just going to naturally slip off, and your dSMB goes up and you stay exactly where you are. Moving down towards the top, decent size dSMB, this one. And so it's just going to make it easier for you to get seen in the water. We've got this reflective tape, this solar stuff, just makes you a lot easier to be found in the water. Hollis logo, and you've got a webbing strap, just something to attach something onto, and a little window, little perspex, sort of clear section. So if you want, you can put like a glow stick in that. It's a little bit small to be putting messages in. If you've got those kind of notebook pages, you can write something on that. You'd have to wrap it up really quite tight and then put it on that to send a message up to the surface, but it is an option. So all in all, a very practical solution for launching a dSMB. You've got the pouch, so you can sort of bolt it onto sort of what you want. You could probably use double enders as well to attach if you don't want to use book screws or something. And yeah, it just kind of sits neatly in the small of your back, out of the way until you're ready to deploy it. And yeah, it's a decent sized SMB. It's not the little sort of compact job, so you can use this at home and abroad. You can inflate it pretty much however you want. The only thing I don't really like about it is this huge sort of strop on the underside. I'd probably tie a knot in that to make that a little bit smaller, but really, it's a great SMB. It kind of ticks all the boxes. You can inflate it however you want, and you can store it wherever you want. This is the Hollis Delayed Surface Marker Buoy with pouch. Thanks for watching, and safe diving.
We are an online dive store serving the UK and the world for all your diving equipment needs. So why not visit us at simplyscuba.com or click the box on your screen.